One of these gadgets reads the veins inside your palm and unlocks your front door in under 0.2 of a second. Another uses millimeter wave radar to detect someone sitting perfectly still in a room. And nearly every product on this list costs less than $200. Links to everything are in the description. But stick around, because a couple of these will change how you think about home security entirely. Most homes are still running outdated setups. Motion sensors that quit the second you stop moving, deadbolts you fumble with in the rain, and doorbell cameras that blur into nothing when you zoom in. Today I'm covering a full security stack, from your front door to your water pipes, built around devices that solve specific, real problems. We're starting inside the house, working outward, and finishing with the threats most people completely ignore. Pay attention to the details. A few of these have one single spec that separates them from everything else on the market. Every smart homeowner has dealt with this. You're on the couch watching TV, you haven't moved in 20 minutes, and the lights shut off because your motion sensor decided the room was empty. The Aqara Presence Sensor FP300 fixes that. It pairs a passive infrared sensor with 60 GHz millimeter wave radar. The PIR catches fast motion instantly, but the radar handles what matters most. It detects micro-movements like the subtle rise and fall of your breathing. Even when you're completely still, the system knows you're there. Coverage is 120 degrees with a 6-meter range. It also tracks temperature, humidity, and ambient light. 5 sensors in one device. Battery life hits about 3 years on 2 CR2450 cells in Zigbee mode, or 2 years over Thread. Thread lets you connect directly to Apple Home or Google Home without a hub. Zigbee mode needs an Aqara hub, but unlocks deeper automations. At roughly $50, it's the cheapest device on this list, and arguably the most impactful. But that kind of intelligence gets even more useful when you apply it to your front door. Fingerprint scanners sound great until your hands are wet, oily, or cracked from cold weather. The LockNVeno Smart Lock skips the surface entirely. It reads the vein pattern inside your palm using LockNVeno technology, mapping blood vessels beneath the skin. TÜV Rheinland certified, it identifies your palm in 0.17 seconds with 99.9% accuracy and a false acceptance rate below 0.00001%. Palm veins stay stable over time regardless of skin condition or age, so you're not standing at your door wiping your fingers trying to get a read. The lock runs on a 5,000 mAh battery, good for about 7 months. IP65 weatherproof, operational from -22 to 158 Fahrenheit, and it supports Matter, meaning direct compatibility with Apple Home, Google Home, and Alexa without extra hubs. At around $180, it's one of the most advanced consumer smart locks right now. But once the door is secured, who's approaching it? That's where video doorbells come in, and Ring just made a serious jump. If you're buying a Ring doorbell for security, the newest Ring Doorbell Pro is the one to focus on. It's the first in the lineup to feature Retinal 4K at 2880 by 2880 resolution, roughly 4 times the detail of 1080p, with a square aspect ratio for true head-to-toe coverage. That resolution matters when you need to identify a face, read text on a package, or zoom into a license plate after the fact. The Pro offers up to 10 times enhanced zoom that actually holds useful detail. Motion detection runs on radar-powered 3D tracking that understands distance and direction, so it knows the difference between someone on your porch and a pedestrian on the sidewalk. It also features low light sight for clear color video in near-dark conditions. The one trade-off, Ring recommends at least 15 megabits per second upload speed for 4K streaming. The Pro costs about $50 more than Ring's Doorbell Plus, which maxes out at 1536p. For actual security footage, that gap is worth closing. Your front door is covered. Now, what about the rest of the property? The The Ring Floodlight Cam Pro pairs 4K video with 2000 lumen floodlights. 2000 lumens turns a dark yard into something approaching daylight, and that brightness alone is a strong deterrent. It uses the same radar-based 3D motion zones, so alerts trigger when people enter specific areas, not every time a cat crosses the yard. Video clarity holds up well at night, and 4K resolution with zoom means usable detail in recorded footage. The catch: cloud storage requires a Ring Protect subscription, so the roughly $240 price tag isn't the full long-term cost. If subscriptions bother you, the next device takes a completely different approach. The Basia Security X1 Pro runs two independent 3K cameras in a single housing, each with its own motorized gimbal and PIR sensor. Together they span up to 300 degrees of dynamic coverage. When one camera detects motion, the other can pick up tracking automatically, dramatically fewer blind spots than any single lens camera. Power comes from a 3-watt solar panel with automatic sun tracking. Basis claims about 20 minutes of sunlight powers a full day of operation, backed by a 7,800 mAh battery offering up to 150 days of standalone backup. All footage stores locally on microSD up to 512 gigabytes. No cloud fees, ever. IP65 weatherproof, rated from -20 to 50 degrees Celsius. The weak spot is two-way audio. It works, but the speaker doesn't match the video quality. At around $170 to $200 though, you're getting serious surveillance capability without recurring costs. Now here's where this video takes a turn most people don't expect. Break-ins get all the headlines, but smoke, gas leaks, and water damage cause far more financial destruction every year. These threats don't announce themselves. If this video has been useful so far, hit that like button. It takes 1 second and helps this reach people who need it. And subscribe if you haven't. The next few products could save you thousands in damage. Standard smoke detectors scream at you. That's it. The KDA Ring, Smart Smoke, and CO Alarm also sends an instant notification to your phone through the Ring app, telling you exactly what it detected. It's hardwired with dual AA backup batteries and connects to the Ring ecosystem. So if smoke triggers, your cameras can start recording and your lights can turn on automatically. The only nuisance: install it too close to a kitchen and cooking steam will trigger false alarms. Proper placement fixes that. At about $75, you go from a dumb alarm to something that tells you what's happening and pushes it straight to your phone. But smoke isn't the only invisible threat. Gas leaks escalate faster, and the next device buys you critical extra time. The Denova Detect gas detector uses MEMS sensor technology calibrated for natural gas. It triggers at 10% of the lower explosive limit, compared to the 25% LEL used by most traditional plug-in detectors. According to testing validated by the Fire and Risk Alliance, that lower threshold means roughly 11 minutes more warning time. 11 minutes matters when gas concentrations are climbing toward dangerous levels. It runs entirely on a sealed battery rated for 10 years. No outlets, no wiring. It works through power outages and mounts near the ceiling where gas naturally accumulates. At around $99, it's a decade of protection running quietly in the background. One more invisible threat most people underestimate, and this one tends to be the most expensive. The GoviLife Smart Water Leak Detector uses sub-1G communication, not Wi-Fi. Sub-1G is a dedicated low-frequency signal designed to travel through thick walls, basements, and concrete, where normal wireless signals struggle. The rated range is about 1,800 feet. When water is detected, a 105 decibel alarm sounds at the sensor and an instant notification hits your phone. IP67 waterproof, 5-year battery life. Drop one near your water heater, under the washing machine, beside a sink, then forget about it. At around $76, it's cheap insurance against a problem that runs into the tens of thousands. But for whole house coverage, the next device takes it further. The The MowFlow Smart Water Monitor installs inline with your main water supply and monitors pressure, flow rates, and temperature across your entire plumbing system. It learns your normal usage over time, which lets it flag anomalies, even a slow, persistent drip. The headline feature: if a pipe bursts or the system detects catastrophic flow, it automatically shuts off your main water valve. No one has to be home. The trade-off is calibration. Unusual events, filling a hot tub, running multiple appliances, can trigger false shutoffs while the system is still learning. But compared to the cost of repairing a flooded house, the math tips fast. If you want everything in one coordinated setup, the SimplySafe security system ties sensors, cameras, and monitoring together. It includes a base station, entry sensors, motion detectors, and an outdoor camera recording 1080p HD with a 140-degree field of view, color night vision, and a 90-decibel siren. The standout feature is active guard monitoring. With it enabled, live agents can view camera feeds and speak to intruders through two-way audio in real time, before anyone enters your home. The outdoor camera's live feed can occasionally be slow to load, but installation is simple and the app is clean. At about $450, it's a complete system with professional monitoring that responds in the moment. That's the full stack. From a $50 presence sensor to a $450 system with live human monitoring. Every device here solves a specific problem, and none require a tech degree to install. All links are in the description. Start with whatever feels most urgent for your home. Tell me in the comments which one surprised you the most. If you got value from this video, subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll never miss any of our latest videos. Because security cameras are going through the biggest upgrade cycle in years. In the next video, I'm breaking down exactly which ones are worth buying in 2026. And there's one detail most people are completely overlooking. You'll want to catch that one. Thank you for watching the video till the end.